What's up, guys? Corbin the Cartoon Characters here. Today, I just bought Mrbeast Bar Feastables called Deez Nutz, which is based off of a funny meme. It is milk chocolate with peanut butter. Yep, so I'm gonna review this for you, Mr. Beast. If you're watching this, I want to say congratulations on appearing as a cameo in the movie Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem. Congratulations. Also, don't listen to what those mean people on Twitter say in the past, okay? You did the right thing, okay? Now, let's review it. Alright, guys, here we go. On three, two, one, here we go. Mmm. Chocolate filled with peanut butter. Tastes really, really good. I give this 10 out of 10. Mr. Reese, you're the best. You're the beast. Peace out, guys.